Dear student, welcome back to our NIEVS home school. Hope you are doing well at home. This is Shiuly, Saha, assistant teacher of English, National Ideal English Home School, morning shift. Dear student, today I am going to take your home science class for the student of class 6. Our today's topic is class 8. Today we will discuss this topic. So let's get started our class. Student, our today's topic food, nutrition and health. Chapter 8. Food. Before going to start this topic, I am telling you food is very important. You know that, and without food we cannot imagine our existence. So student, carefully read this chapter. Food first. Things which are digestible and do different functions for our body, taken as food by people, and the things that give nutrition for body are known as food. Food is the raw material of our body. So what is the raw material of our body? Food is the raw material of our body. Now come to the second point, nutrition. After consumption, food does different functions for body. So you know, after consumption, food does different functions for our body, such as produces temperature and energy, makes new cells for the growth of the body, rebuild the lost cells, prevent the diseases and keep body healthy, strong and active. This process is called nutrition. So the whole process, that means makes new cells for the growth of the body, rebuild the lost cells, prevent the diseases and keep body healthy, strong and active. This process is called nutrition. Now third point, health. According to World Health Organization, health is the satisfactory physical, mental and social condition which is free from sickness or weakness. So health is something that is free from sickness or weakness, that is health. Now lesson 2, relation of food, nutrition and health. You know that dear student, there is a close relation among food, nutrition and health. Now relation between taking food and nutrition is very close. If people cannot take food on a regular basis for a few days, then becomes weak, resistance power reduces, people suffers from different diseases, affects intelligence level. So what will happen if we cannot take food regularly? People cannot take food on regular basis for few days, they becomes weak, resistance power reduces, people suffers from different diseases, affects intelligence level. On the other hand, by taking more food, people get over nutrition which lead to overweight. So student, you know that taking more food, it is it is not healthy process. When nutritious food is taken according to the need of the body gets energy to do work, resistance power increases, people don't become sick frequently, proper development of intelligence and natural healthy condition will be visible. Now next lesson number 3, relation between food, nutrition and cleanliness. So there is a close relation between food, nutrition and cleanliness. To maintain good health, it is essential to ensure that neat and clean environment with balanced nutritious food. Cleanliness is closely related to nutrition. Through the following table, we can understand the impact of cleanliness on health. Now first one, cooking and eating in an unclean environment. If we cook and eat in an unclean environment, what will happen? Food is infected. At first food is infected with germs, then taking infected food, we will take infected food with germs, and then body becomes sick and getting nutrition is affected. So after getting infected food, our body becomes sick and getting nutrition is affected. And now second point, if we cook and eat in a neat and clean environment, what will happen? Cooking and eating in a neat and clean environment, our food will be safe. Food is safe. taking safe food, body gets proper nutrition. After taking neat and clean environment, after taking food in a neat and clean environment, food will be safe, and taking safe food, our body gets proper nutrition. Now, function of food. Number 1, building the body and ensuring growth. The main function of food is to build the body and ensure growth. It is a main function of a food. What is the main function of the food? The main function of the food is to build the body and ensure growth. Number 2, repairing the loss. Always our body is experiencing decay. To repair this loss, body needs food. Nutrition from food helps to rebuild the cells. So nutrition that comes from food that helps us to rebuild our cells and body. Number 3, producing temperature and providing energy. Temperature energy is produced from food. For this, energy is essential to stay alive. Number 4, control of internal functions. Internally, several functions are happening in our body, such as the digestion of food, production of energy, movements of muscles, and formation of cells, etc. Number 5, develops resistance power. Every day, our body is getting infected with many germs. To prevent these germs, we need to develop body's natural resistance power. When we eat different types of nutritious food, we can prevent the diseases and stay fit. So, to develop our resistance power, we have to take nutritious food properly. Lesson 5, elements of food and source. We know that there are 6 elements of food. Nutritional elements are mainly of 6 types. What are they? They are carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamins and minerals, and water. Now, come to the first point, carbohydrate. So, what is the source of carbohydrate? Different types of food like rice, corn, wheat, potato, etc. Are the sources of carbohydrate. And what is the function of carbohydrate? Carbohydrate produces heat and energy in body. That is very important to live in healthy way. Protein source. What is the source of protein? Fish, meat, egg, milk, nut, soya bean, etc. are the sources of protein. And what is the function of protein? Cell formation, growth, and prevention of decay. Now, fat source, ghee, butter, different types of nuts, oil, etc. And function, supplying heat and energy to body. Now, vitamins and minerals source, sea fish, egg yolk, liver, sweet potato, tomato, mango, etc. And functions, keeping body healthy and strong by increasing disease resistance power by body. Now, last point, water. Source, all kind of liquid drink, green, coconut water, juicy fruit, etc. are the sources of water. Functions, helps in digestion and absorption of food. It also helps to drain out waste materials from the body. Student, today we have discussed this chapter in short. You have to read this chapter very attentively because you have to answer the MCQ question from this chapter. So student, that's all for today. Thank you all of you. See you in next class. There is no